So, anybody can get voice chat on Roblox without an ID for free, even if you are under 13. Roblox is allowing any age to get voice chat, and I'm going to show you how. Before that, only 1% can like and subscribe before this timer runs out. So when you get into Roblox, you want to click these 3 dots more down below. Then you want to scroll down to Settings, click Account Info. You can either verify your phone number or age. Do not click Verify My Age if you are under 13 or do not have an ID. Verify your phone number and email address. When you click on Add Phone, you will have to enter your phone number, and a code will be sent to your phone, which you will enter here. Then you want to go to Privacy and Content Maturity, then Communication. In a couple of days or so, maybe even in a day, you will have a new option called Voice Chat right here, which you can click on to enable the microphone. If you do not get the voice chat feature after a few days, then you need to log in to your account from a browser. Click on the Settings gear icon, then Help and Safety. Tap Help Center. Then choose the first one, I need help with my account. Scroll down and select Add two-step verification to your account. Scroll down till you see Contact Support. Then click on Contact Customer Support. Enter your username, first name, and email address. Select your device here. Choose How to, then How to General. Under Description, you want to enter something like, Hi, Roblox. I have trouble verifying my ID on Roblox. I was wondering if I can get voice chat, completely free, and I don't have a verified ID. This will be super helpful because I don't have an ID at all. Thank you for understanding. Click Continue. Then you just need to wait a few hours or up to a day, and the voice chat option should be available to you. But before anything, make sure your account is set to 13+.